If you want to practice listening to some daily conversations, this video is made for you. In today's lesson, we provide you with some multiple choice and fill-in-the-gap exercises to help you improve your English listening skills while enjoying those conversations. Check it out to see whether you can get all of these questions correct. In this part, you will have to fill in the blank while listening to a conversation. You will have 5 seconds for each answer. Job interview. Come in, please. You are Tom Hilton, right?
Yes, thank you for having me today.
It's my pleasure. Please take a seat. I already had a look at your CV. It was impressive. Shall we start with today's questions?
Yes, please. Go ahead.
What are your top 3 goals when you work at our company?
My first and foremost goal is to expand my communication skills. I was a shy and reserved person in my previous workplace.
So you want to work more harmoniously with your colleagues?
That's right. And my second goal is to contribute to the development of our company. With 5 years' experience in sales and promotion, I hope to bring brilliant strategies and attract more prospects.
Our team really welcomes such a talent like you.
Finally, I want to improve my knowledge and inspire the youth. I hope to reach the position of sales manager in the next 5 years and train necessary skills for my people.
Wow, you already plan to work with us. We think we would love to have you in our company.
I'll try my best.
A seafood restaurant. Hello, I have a reservation at 7 p.m. today.
May I have your first name, please?
It's Amanda.
Thank you for joining us. Your table is number 7 on the 2nd floor. Good evening, madam. I'm Peter, and I'll be your waiter tonight. What would you like to have?
This is my first time here. Any recommendations?
For appetizers, I suggest you try either smoked salmon mousse or shrimp dip. Their delicious taste won't let you down.
Okay, I'd like to have shrimp dip, please.
One of our best sellers are lobster and king crab.
I'm not a big fan of crabs, so I'll go for lobster, please.
Noted. Would you like to have anything else?
Maybe fish soup?
That's a good choice. Fish soup is also highly recommended at our restaurant.
I'd like white wine as well.
Thank you, madam. I would like to confirm that we will serve you shrimp dip, lobster, fish soup, and white wine.
That's right.
The food will be ready in 15 minutes. There are some blanks in the conversation where you have to select the best answers to find the correct phrases or words. You will have 5 seconds for each answer.
Good morning, sir. How can I help you?
Hello? I would like to report a burglary.
May I have your full name, please?
My name is Alexander Potter.
How old are you?
I'm 31 years old.
Did the burglary happen at your house?
Exactly, ma'am. I live at 45 Main Street.
May I have your phone number, please?
It's 184-9057.
Could you tell me exactly what happened?
So, I went to work from 6:45 a.m. I locked the door and closed every window carefully. However, when I got home at 11:30, I found out that someone broke my window, and my house looked like a mess. That burglar stole $1,000 in cash and a watch from my house.
Do you suspect anyone around your neighborhood?
Let me think. Last night I saw a guy who was in black from head to toe. He was wearing a mask, so I couldn't see his face clearly.
What does he look like?
He was quite big and tall. He had short hair.
Thank you so much for the information. We will try our best and we will contact you immediately if we find anything new.
In this part, there are 5 conversations. You will have to listen to them and answer 5 questions based on the conversations. Pay careful attention and choose the correct ones.
Excuse me, sir. Could you please show me the nearest way to the train station?
You're lucky. I'm going to the train station now, so follow me.
Thank you so much.
First, we will have to go straight ahead down King Street.
Do we have to turn left or turn right?
Do you see 2 corners on the left of the street?
Yes, I can see.
We'll have to turn left at the first corner.
Ah, I can see the train station now.
That's right, and it's opposite a flower shop.
Appreciate your help today, sir.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Sorry, I am looking for carrots. Where are they?
Oh, they're in the vegetable stall next to the fruit stall.
I am also looking for some potatoes.
Let me show you.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome, madam. The potatoes are also next to the carrots. If you're interested in cabbages, they're right behind you.
Appreciate it. I think I'm going to buy some cabbage and lettuce as well. How about milk? Is it near here?
For dairy products, please go straight ahead down this way.
Thank you.
If you need anything else, please tell me, madam.
Hello, I would like to send this letter to my grandpa. When can he receive it?
Where does your grandpa live?
He's in California.
Then it may take around 3 or 4 days.
Great. How can I send this letter?
You'll need an envelope and a stamp to send it.
I'd like to have a medium-sized envelope, please.
All right. Please write the recipient's name and address in the bottom center of the envelope.
Do I have to write my name and my address?
Yes, please. In the top left corner.
All right, done.
Thank you. Please put the envelope in the mailbox. How do you do, Jane?
Good morning, Tim. Where are you going?
I'm heading to my economics class, and you?
Really? Me too. But I think there are 2 economics classes.
Where's yours?
My classroom is in the F building.
Same with me, but which floor?
It's on the 2nd floor, room 405.
Ah, really? Mine's on the 1st floor.
Is it so? I'm so sad that we're not in the same class.
Yeah, right? What about your second period?
I don't have any classes in the 2nd period. You?
Neither do I. Let's go to the cafeteria after the first period.
Definitely.
Which movie do you want to watch?
I've been into horror genres recently, but it seems like they don't have any horror movies today, right?
I saw one movie. However, it's not all about ghosts and jump scare stuff.
Is it a psychological thriller?
Yeah, kind of. But I want to watch something hilarious.
Comedies are fine with me. Please, I'll say no to romance.
Don't worry. I know a comedy movie that has been highly recommended recently. And of course, they don't have any romantic scenes.
Okay, cool. Let's go for it.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Please, subscribe to Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos. Goodbye.